Forever Florals Hydrangeas is a new card collection from our friends at Hunkydory. This is a luxury topper collection, so you can imagine what's going to be inside. Beautifulness. You are going to get the idea sheet. It's got lots of ideas. No printed instructions, but you can kind of see how to make those beautiful cards. And in addition, you are going to get all of these sheets of foil die cuts. Now, there are 102 foil die cuts, beautiful artwork. I love hydrangeas, absolute one of my favorite flowers. And there's text, there's greetings, there's also imagery. And then for each of those sheets, you are going to get a foiled, adorable scoreable, and then a coordinating printed one also. So beautiful. Now we go into the light lavenders, very pretty. Again, you're going to have and you're going to get 2 of each one that I'm showing you. So there is the foiled, as you can, there you go, you can see, there you go. And then also a printed one, just like so. Now we get into shades of blue and soft pink. Again, the foiling and the coordinating adorable scoreable in the foiled piece, as well as the printed piece. And then the last one is this. Again, you get 2 of each, and there is the foiled, and there is the printed. Okay, all of that together, but you know, I'm not anywhere near being done. Let me show you what else goes in this collection. So in addition to the topper kit, we have parchment. And the parchment is printed, parchment, vellum, whatever you want to call it. Let me scoot that out of the way. So you're going to get 2 sheets of each one. So there's one, here is a second, here is a third, and a fourth. So 2 each of those in the parchment. Then you can also get the inserts. Now the inserts are the same beautiful artwork, but just ghosted back. These are all A4. You get 12 of them. I hope they're all not upside down. Goodness. So you get some borders. You get also those corners. I am so sorry. And some of them have this window, and that window or that opening is going to match the shapes of the die cuts. So it's very interesting. It works very nicely. And you can see there's a border all over print that you saw in the parchment. Here we've got some at the top, more of the opening. I think there are 4 of those. There you go. And all over patterns. So you have those. These are the inserts. Now there's also more. There is a pad, and look at this. This is a honkin' thing. These are 4 3/4 inches square. Thank you, Steve. And there are 150 pages in this pad, and you're going to get 25 different designs. You get 6 of each one. So let me just go through this quickly. They are single-sided. Some are all over patterns. Some have the greetings. And you can see, just as I go through here, the variety of imagery. Some of these you can even cut out. So that gives you another option. Just really increases that count. So you can see the greetings. You can see the art. There you go, borders as well. Thinking of you and hoping you'll be in the bloom of good health soon. So just a lot. Flowers touch the heart where words cannot reach. So just quite lovely. 25 of them, and you get 6 of each one. You reach that 150 that's right there. The last part of this collection is the adorable scoreable. There are 10 colors. You're going to get 3 of each color for a total of 30. And you can see that the colors are going to coordinate with the inserts, with the parchment, with the paper pad, and of course with the luxury card kit. all of them in the Forever Florals hydrangeas from our friends at Hunkydory.